Cedar Springs' number 2 hole is 395 yards long from the championship tees. You can grab an extra scorecard if you didn't in the clubhouse earlier. It's a dogleg right, but to the right of the rock is a driving range, which you don't want to get involved in because you can lose your ball very easily. Stay left of all those oaks. But the tee is elevated, which is a strength, and can easily play a cut shot over the sawblade tree. The typical drive from the championship tees is 270 yards, and I have circled on this exact replica of the hole from Google Earth. The two lines I have drawn over to the right are the pond, and the short line is 40 yards and the long line is 90 yards. That's showing the distance from the green, which the green is 33 yards wide and 30 yards long. Going 10 yards past the green, which would result in the fescue, which I have labeled, but it's kind of fuzzy. There are trees on the approach. The sawblade tree is clearly visible as the cart path takes you to the fairway. You can see the two trees behind the sawblade tree, which you also have to clear on your cut shot. Here's a clip from the top of the blue championship tees. You want to stay left of. If you get in the farmer's field on the left-hand side, you can go out of bounds. Here's another clip of behind the sawblade tree, the two trees you have to clear past the first. I'm standing at 170 yards there. Here's 150. As you can tell, the pin is slightly right in the center of the green, but you can also see all the pines lining the fairway. Here's a clip from the hump of the green right before. It's typically 6 yards wide. Here's my ball after my approach shot, which I will show you how it got there. There's a hunting stand in back, but it's in the farmer's field, so it's out of play. The green is fairly flat, but in the back it's banked, so if you stay on the short part of the green, your shot would be pretty easy. Here's my cut shot. I went right of the sawblade tree, clearing the two trees behind it. I'll show you an extra clip of those two trees in 1 second. Here's my approach shot, a little left of the center of the fairway, but my approach is a nice one. You can hear it land there, and like it was before, there's my birdie. Thank you for seeing Cedar Springs hole number 2. Strengths are having so many trees. Handicaps on the left-hand side near the farmer's field is ground under repair. Opportunities are the driving range is being moved to another location, and threats on one side of the pond it is fairly steep without a safety ledge. Thank you.